Shelves are often overlooked, tucked into corners or hung quietly on walls, yet they hold incredible potential not just for storage, but for profit. Every plank, every bracket, every carefully measured piece of wood represents an opportunity to blend artistry with commerce. In today's fast-paced home decor market, wooden shelves are more than functional, they're statement pieces, organizational miracles, and profitable products all at once. Profit from every corner isn't just a clever title, it's a principle. By transforming ordinary storage into creative, stylish, and well-designed wooden shelves, you can turn your craft into consistent income while elevating the spaces your customers live, work, and create in. From floating shelves that appear to hover in mid-air, to corner units that maximize unused spaces, wooden shelves capture attention because they merge utility and beauty. They frame photos, display plants, organize books, and even create room divisions, all while reflecting style. For the maker, each piece offers multiple avenues to earn, from local sales and online orders to custom commissions and boutique partnerships. Shelving is a canvas of opportunity, waiting for you to shape it. The wooden shelf is deceptively simple. It can be as minimal as a single plank on a wall or as complex as a multi-tiered unit with intricate brackets and carved details. But simplicity is a strength, not a limitation. Many buyers seek clean, functional lines that blend seamlessly with modern interiors. A floating shelf made from high-quality hardwood, perfectly sanded and finished, can instantly elevate a room. The value lies not just in function, but in the aesthetic experience it provides. And that value translates directly into profit. To create shelves that sell, begin by understanding your audience. Urban apartment dwellers often need compact, modular designs that make the most of limited space. Families may prioritize sturdiness and storage capacity, while design enthusiasts might look for eye-catching units that double as art. By tailoring your shelf designs to these preferences, you ensure your creations meet real needs and appeal to buyers willing to pay for them. Corners, often wasted, present a hidden goldmine for wooden shelving. Corner units transform awkward and used spaces into functional areas, maximizing storage while enhancing visual interest. A triangular corner shelf can hold plants, books, or decorative items, turning an overlooked space into a feature. When you highlight this clever use of space, customers recognize both practicality and creativity, and that combination is highly marketable. Materials play a critical role in the appeal of wooden shelves. Solid hardwoods like oak, maple, or walnut convey durability and luxury. Softer woods like pine or birch offer affordability and adaptability, perfect for painting or staining. A popular approach is mixing materials, using reclaimed wood for rustic charm or combining wood with metal brackets for an industrial, modern aesthetic. This versatility allows you to appeal to a wide range of customers and price points. Finishing is equally important. Smooth, polished surfaces enhance the natural beauty of the wood, while protective finishes ensure longevity. A well-finished shelf can withstand daily use, retain its visual appeal, and build customer trust. Colors and textures also influence buyer interest. Natural wood tones appeal to traditional tastes, white or pastel finishes suit minimalist interiors, and darker stains convey elegance and sophistication. Your finishing choices become a signature, telling customers that every shelf is crafted with care. Design innovation fuels profitability. Multifunctional shelves, those that integrate storage drawers, hidden compartments, or modular configurations, attract attention because they solve problems. A wall-mounted shelf that doubles as a workspace, or a corner unit with adjustable tiers, becomes more than a shelf, it becomes a lifestyle enhancement. Customers appreciate practical innovation, and they're willing to pay extra for it. Marketing plays a vital role in maximizing profit. A wooden shelf looks different in a photograph than in a home. Showcase your shelves in real-life settings, books neatly arranged, plants flourishing, decorative items highlighted. Videos or reels showing the assembly process, the sanding, and the finishing stages give your audience a behind-the-scenes look at craftsmanship. This storytelling approach builds trust, conveys quality, and adds perceived value to your work. Another advantage of wooden shelves is scalability. You can start with a few designs, perfecting their dimensions and finishes, then expand into a full collection. Floating shelves, corner units, wall-mounted organizers, and multi-tiered bookcases can coexist as part of your product line, appealing to different customer needs while leveraging your established skills and materials. This approach allows steady growth without overwhelming your workshop. Custom orders offer an additional layer of income. Many clients desire shelves tailored to their space, their decor, or their storage requirements. By offering customization, from dimensions to materials, finishes, and brackets, you add premium value. Customization also builds client loyalty, as buyers return for additional pieces or recommend you to friends and family. One well-crafted custom shelf can lead to a chain of profitable commissions. Even scraps and offcuts from larger projects can contribute to profit. Small wall shelves, plant holders, or decorative accents can be made from leftover wood. These smaller items are easy to produce, quick to sell, and add incremental income without additional material cost. Efficient use of resources ensures that every piece of wood in your workshop has a purpose, increasing overall profitability. Sustainability also enhances market appeal. Reclaimed wood shelves, eco-friendly finishes, and environmentally conscious production resonate with modern buyers who care about impact. By emphasizing your sustainable practices, you not only appeal to values-conscious customers but also differentiate your brand in a crowded market. This conscious approach builds trust and loyalty, essential for long-term success. Finally, pricing strategy is critical. Factor in material cost, labor, finishing, and storytelling value. Customers understand that handcrafted shelves carry time, skill, and passion in every cut and join. Pricing fairly yet confidently ensures profit while communicating the worth of your craft. Over time, reputation, word of mouth, and repeat buyers amplify your income potential, turning simple wooden shelves into a reliable revenue stream. The ultimate reward comes not just from profit, but from impact. Shelves organize homes, frame cherished items, and enhance aesthetics. Wooden shelves might occupy corners, walls, or overlooked spaces, but their potential is boundless. Every well-designed shelf you craft carries value functionally, aesthetically, and financially. By combining creativity, craftsmanship, and market awareness, you can turn even the smallest space into an opportunity for income, style, and lasting impact. We put a lot of effort into creating and compiling this video, so if you enjoyed it, please consider subscribing. It truly helps us make more content like this and share more inspiring ideas with you. Thank you for watching, and remember, every piece you carve adds beauty to the world, and every sale brings you one step closer to building a life shaped by art and passion.